Hi friend, I hope are you fine. Today I have mini banner pack for you with three different files: AI EPS for Adobe Illustrator user and PSD for Photoshop. So first I show you. Open with window viewer. You can adjust your image here. You can write title and give details, contact number here, and your value, or your just anything if you want to sale etc or times etc, depend on your own self. And here write just your logo or write your name, your company name. And same poster is here, just portrait file here left side, and this banner have write anything is down. So just your image here, write any contact number, titles etc, up to 50% off. Here is just color change or different size, 1080 by 1350 pixel, and here is 1080 by 9020 pixel. You can see here. Okay, first I edit in Photoshop, drag to Photoshop. Now update. You see here in layers area, every layers have a group, text, logo, icon, shape, and change image change here. Double click here for image, find image on your computer. So I adjust this picture for example or experiment or explaining. So this file is low resolution, so I drag this file here and enter, Control S, and you see here, or you change flip, Control S. Wow, you can write your text or you can change opacity like this, or open this file, right click, create clipping mask, and then you change opacity option, Control S, and you see here this picture used for background. Right click here, left click here, change color any, or apply gradient overlay, apply image with low opacity, write your logo or company name, write your phone number. This picture have a many light color, then white colors can't highlight. So I close this file and open next file, right click and open with Photoshop, and open new photo for this, and you know this file have no background, just images background. Okay, Control S, adjust your own opinion. I have this picture, so I know you better know. Change color or write any text. Close this file and open EPS, and because this time is no Adobe Illustrator here, so you can use in Adobe Illustrator AI file. I hope this data is helpful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah.